If A equals 8 and B equals 9, find the length, C. Geometric theorem, Pythagoras theorem, parallelogram properties, arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points G, J and K. Locate the centers X and Y of the green and blue circles, respectively. Join line G, X and line J, Y. Also, join line G, K. Line G, K equals line X, Y, which equals to 17, and line G, X equals line K, Y. This equals 8. This is because opposite side lengths of a regular parallelogram are equal. This implies that line J, K equals line Y, J minus line K, Y, which equals to 1. Consider triangle K, J, G. Use Pythagoras theorem. The square of line J, G equals the square of line G, K minus the square of line J, K, which equals to 288. Find the square root of the equation. This implies that line J, G equals 288, which equals to 12 times the square root of 2. Label point Q. This implies that C equals line G, Q, which equals line J, Q. This is because tangent lines to a circle from the same exterior point are equal in length. It signifies that line J, G equals 2 times C, which equals 12 times the square root of 2. Divide out by 2. Hence, C equals half of 12 times the square root of 2, which equals to 6 times the square root of 2. Therefore, C equals 6 times the square root of 2 in units.